Hey friends, if you wish to change the light or dark theme on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you need to go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side and select themes. So there are a lot of themes here. Okay, these are the ones which are themes, and you can get more themes from Microsoft Store by clicking on browse and then searching for themes. But as of as of present, I will stick to the themes which come pre-installed with your Windows computer. So any theme that has a dark background, for example, this blue one or this purple one or this red one, these are dark themes, and all others are light themes. I mean, we have 5 light themes and 3 dark themes. So you can choose any of the dark themes and it becomes dark. And let's say that I chose this light theme. You notice the difference. Okay, everything becomes light. So this is the case, and obviously you can browse more themes from the Microsoft Store. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.